Back to another video of... Actually, welcome to a video of Paladins, and I'm with my friend Firelord. Say hi. Firelord, say hi. Firelord! Oh, he's too
I was getting...
Say hi.
Damn, hi! Oh my god, I was just getting something down.
Don't say...
Don't even shout at me!
Hey, yo, don't say any cuss words. Don't say any cuss words.
By the way, shout out... Yo, sometimes.
Yeah, okay, let's first play.
Yay!
So we're gonna play probably survival, cause I'm not a noob. I'm very good at this game, and Firelord's a noob, cause that's why he doesn't want to play survival, cause he's such a noob.
Boy, you're level 11. I'm level 15.
So, and you still don't want to play survival. Anyways.
Okay, fine.
Okay, we'll play survival.
Let's play survival in Minecraft.
Okay, there we go.
I'm not gonna press X.
Press X! Do press X, for real. Press X.
Tell me I'm a pro.
You're a pro!
Choose your champion.
Like, that's all I have to say. I'm like, you're a pro!
Press Ruckus.
I don't want Ruckus, he sucks. Anyways, I think I might die, like literally die in this round.
Customize.
Okay.
Prepare for battle.
Dang, I'm so annoyed.
It's no time for puns.
Okay. Snowfall Junction, boys. Yosh, this is how we do it.
This is how we do it.
And I am Tyra, the Tyra.
And the hunt
You're a tiger.
on. Hail!
This
Point
teabagging.
spawning in 15 seconds.
I'm gonna stand by you, even if it breaks me down. Even if it break through.
5.
Even if you can't find heaven.
Stay too long. Tristan, if you stay too long here, an avalanche is gonna come and kill you.
Blessings of the mother.
That what?
You better run. An avalanche is gonna come down and kill you if you stay too long.
When?
Hear that whistle? That's what it is.
Ah, help! Ah! I'm gonna die here. I'm used to different. Anyways, Firelord's gonna die. I say everything. Where's the avalanche supposed to be?
Stumped.
It's supposed to. When you hear that like whistle again, that's when it's gonna come.
Under this?
Spawning in 15 seconds.
You stay.
No,
Okay.
I'm not gonna stay.
5,
Stay.
3,
Stay.
You say, nigga.
Stay. Hey, don't say bad words. Don't say cuss words.
I said
Group up.
M, not the N. I said M, not the N.
I know, but don't say any bad words.
My thanks, healer.
I'm reminding you that. So you won't say bad words.
Don't shoot him when he's invisible. Oh! Get Shrek, son.
Get Shreked. Where is me?
Get Shrek, son.
Where's ugly? Yay! We did it. We did it. You suck. We did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. Yeah, you suck. Huh?
Okay, guys. Your mic is glitching.
point spawning in 15
My mic
seconds.
is not glitching.
For me, it is.
Me too. The clock is ticking, so stay. All you have to do is stay.
No one cares. I fell down the stairs. I hate when nobody's shading.
Yo,
People hate.
yeah.
My
The
wounds are
clock
healed.
is ticking, so stay. All you have to do is... I hear that whistle.
Ooh, damn.
I'm a very pro at this game. Just to let you know. Let you guys know. Yeah, let's say you're a pro.
I just headshotted him.
Outstanding.
Good job! Good for you, dude! I see the avalanche! This piranha is gonna come out. That's the avalanche. That's the avalanche.
Trust you with little tiny pieces.
Then the thing's gonna come out and lay on you.
3, 2,
Trail awaits.
If you hear that whistle, that's when the avalanche is gonna come.
Okay, get ready. You have to get ready for anything. Ah, this is... Ah, you're making me scared. Meave, stop it. Meave is making me scared. Like, actually scared.
Your aid is appreciated. There's some fight with you after all.
Oh! I'm in it!
Give them hell.
All I have to do is say...
Bad!
Yeah! What you mean?
I stole your kill!
And how many eliminations you got?
How many did you
13.
20.
Liar.
point spawning in 15 seconds.
Kill streak!
I have 12.
I have 15!
Then you have 15 kills.
3, 2,
For your help.
point has
Elimination.
spawned.
You have 15 eliminations. Now die! Die with fire! Burning up the way!
What?
Burn, baby, burn!
That? This is following me.
Come on! Just die! We're gonna lose.
What was the only one?
We're gonna lose.
Let's make this interesting.
Just a dude glitched right there.
I knew when I saw that big panda, I knew you was
Let's both stay here. Let's see what happens. I wanna see what happens.
That's too
They're
bad.
gonna die.
Point
Yeah, but I don't know what it looks
15
like, so let's
seconds.
stay here.
You know what?
5, 4, 3, 2. Point has spawned.
You're going.
Help!
I'ma wait.
Help!
You're just gonna die and you're just gonna be the only survivor.
Good night.
Bam!
Where's the avalanche?
Bam! Coming?
Oh, I found the avalanche!
Strike now, friends.
Don't touch it! It's gonna kill you and crush you.
Ah! We have to kill everybody! We have a time limit?
Yes!
To kill all these people?
Yes!
This is dumb.
Enemy killing spree.
You're gonna die. So yeah.
Oh crap, we need to go.
Last one standing wins!
Just die in the avalanche.
Not yet.
Unacceptable.
I have an AK, by the way.
Curses. Point spawning in 15 seconds. It's a trap.
Let me see my friends on. Ah, my main friend is not on.
3, 2, point has spawned.
I
You're
know.
gonna stay here? Tristan, you're
Huh?
gonna stay here? You're gonna stay at the very end?
No, why?
You know why?
What? Oh, I hate it when he turns invisible. It's so stupid. So annoying. It's annoying.
No, you still got killed, nigga. I did not say the N-word.
Yes, you did.
I said ig.
Mother watch over you.
If you ever try to say it,
Thanks.
you're not being included in this broadcast.
Point spawning in 15
If you ever
seconds.
try to say it,
Awesome.
okay? That's the consequences, dude. If you ever try.
And I'm gonna friend you. I don't care.
Point.
Okay. If you
I
want.
already unfriended you. I already
If you
unfriended
want. If you really want.
Good night.
Are you sure you want to do that? Are you sure you're gonna do that? Are you sure?
you. Get over here.
Are you sure, bro? Are you sure, Tay Tay?
Give them hell.
Yeah. Yay!
Oh crap, we need to win the next round.
No, we don't.
Look, it's a tie. Whoever wins, it's the enemy team. We're gonna lose.
Then survive, huh? That's why they call it survival.
Point spawning in 15
Then you
seconds.
survive too and stop being the cat.
Okay, I'm gonna try. Okay, ready?
5, 4, 3.
I'm gonna try hard this time.
Point has spawned.
Okay, you ready?
Can we do casual?
Okay, I'm gonna try.
Oh!
I'm trying. Ugh. It's hard, there's too many. I'm trying right now. Ugh, it's too hard. Kill him! I'm not even trying.
Victory.
Yeah!
Look, I'm right there.
I wasn't even trying.
Hey, whenever we're friends. My
Huh?
game crashed. My game crashed.
Oh,
The game was
no.
too epic. My game crashed.
It always says you may game crash.
Crash. Yeah.
Good for you, your game crashed now?
Do casual. Just do casual.
Well, anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you did, please like this video. And I guess And I guess, never friend Firelord? Okay, yeah, never friend Firelord. So anyway, subscribe, comment, like, please, and don't ever friend this Firelord. Okay. And anyways, see you guys later in the next video. I told them,